Coming to you, Michael. Coming to you. Crossing, crossing. I'll be damned, that's a good shot. I seen him running. He sat there for a long time. I could see him sitting there, but I wasn't gonna shoot him sitting. That had to be a good shot, Michael.
Here, Bo. Good dog. Here, Bo. Here, Bo. Here he is. Here he is, boy. Here he is.
You gonna break your neck, Brady?
Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here he is. 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 Yeah. There he is. There he is. There he is, Brady. There he is. Here's Sue.
Did you know he was sitting there the whole time?
Oh, yeah. I couldn't see him, but I saw where he was.
I could see him sitting there, but I thought I wasn't gonna mess you up there. I didn't figure you'd ever get him after he sat there and took off like that.
Right where Sue's standing, right?
Yeah. He was rolling, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was.
You're too good with that thing. We're gonna have to make you shoot left-handed.
There you go. Here's Sue.
Here you go, Bo. Bo, right here. Look right here, Bo.
There he is. Good boy. Good boy. There he is, Bo. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl.
Easy retrieval. She won't in this crowd.
No. Brady and Bo.
Come on, Abby. Down here, Abby. Come on, Sue.
Here, here, here. Here you go.
Down here, Abby.
Here he is. Here he is.
Yeah, I don't think Sue and Abby ever figured it out.
I showed it to Sue, but she showed paid no mind for that.
Yeah, down here, Sue.
Here you go. Here you go.
Down here, guys. Down here.
Brady, come on, buddy.
You're gonna get hurt, Brady. Here you go, Abby. Down here. Right here, Abby. Tally, Abby. Right here. Let me hold it. Here. Yeah, right here. Easy. Here, Abby. Look here. Here, Abby. Right here.
Here, hold that lead. Hold that.
What you got?
Lead.
Okay.
Where's that?
Right there. Here, Abby.
Here, Abby. Here, Abby.
Let her get a taste of it. That's all of them now. They've all seen it.
Good dogs. Good dogs.
There you go. That's all you can kill, Michael. That's enough. That's a pretty good day for a pistol shooter.
Yes, it is. Might be out of bags.
Put him in the same bag. Yeah, I've got one. I'll have to dig for it. Here, get your lead and I'll have to.
Got my hand
He's
on
gonna
that.
fool around and get hurt.